Whether you're a daily commuter, a road tripper, or just running errands around town, accidents happen. And having a dash cam like these models from Cobra can help you have the footage you need to show what happened. A dash cam, or dashboard camera, is a specialized onboard camera that continuously records the view through your vehicle's front windshield and sometimes rear or even the interior. Think of it like a doorbell security camera, but for your vehicle. How does this help you? Most importantly, it's peace of mind for you, your loved ones, or your cargo. In the event of an accident or a reckless driver, you have the footage to show what happened. Having the ability to record what happens in and around your vehicle can be great for rideshare drivers, parents, or anyone who wants that extra layer of accountability and protection. Let's check out a few of the smart dash cams from Cobra. One helpful feature they all share, the Drive Smarter app. It comes included with Cobra dash cams and works with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can see your route on a compatible vehicle display. On top of that, all Cobra dash cams connect to the Drive Smarter network, so you'll get 360 alerts, like upcoming turns on your route, red light or speed camera locations, and radar or laser alerts from connected radar detectors in the network. This is the flagship Cobra SC400D. It records in 4K Ultra HD resolution for clear, sharp images, capturing fine details like license plate numbers, whether you're driving day or night. And with built-in Alexa, you can control your dash cam with just your voice. Plus, with dual-view recording capabilities, the SC400D records what's happening in front of you and also behind you. There's a 3-inch touchscreen on the front camera, making it easy to review video and adjust settings. Now check out the Cobra SC250R. Like the SC400D, it includes front and rear-facing cameras, captures 4K video footage, and can have up to 3 total views by adding an optional cabin view camera. If you don't need the Smart Assistant feature that Alexa built-in brings, then the SC250R is a great choice for 4K video. Going for a scenic drive? Try out Cobra's Trip Clip feature to record a beautiful time-lapse of your journey and share it with your friends and family. Now the SC220C. It has a 2K QHD front-facing camera and an included interior camera. The camera has infrared night vision, and you can enable privacy mode to turn off the cabin camera and the microphone when you need to. This model, as well as most other Cobra dash cams, are equipped with heads-up navigation, so you can follow routes and receive alerts directly on screen. And lastly, the SC120 has a single camera with Quad HD resolution as a nice entry-level option. This camera is also great for those looking to have the smallest tech footprint on their windshield without lacking in quality or features. Another cool feature that these dash cameras all share is Remote Live View. You can remotely access a live feed from the dash cam. Use this to check in on a loved one, such as an older relative or your newest driver in the family. Or give yourself more peace of mind about your car's security because you can check on it remotely when an incident is detected. Installation for Cobra dash cams is simple. For the basic setup, all you have to do is plug the cam into your car's 12-volt plug or compatible USB/USB-C port. Mount it on the windshield and you're good to go. Now, if you want a cleaner look and some extra features, you might consider the optional hardwire kit. This allows your dash cam to be powered directly from your car's battery, keeping it powered while the engine is off to automatically record if it detects motion or bumps. With the hardwire kit, all Cobra dash cams activate features like parking mode and motion detection, giving your car a layer of security even when you're not around. If you'd like more info, you can shop with an expert on bestbuy.com. Thanks for watching.